Do you have an old smartphone lying around? Perhaps you've upgraded to the latest model and now the old one is just collecting dust. Well, dust it off and get ready to give it a new life. Today we're going to transform your old smartphone into a smart home surveillance system. Sounds intriguing? Stick around and you'll see how simple yet effective this can be. First things first, ensure your old smartphone is in working condition. It doesn't need to be the latest model or have the highest megapixel camera, but it does need to have a functioning camera and a stable internet connection. Next, you'll need to download a security camera app. A few popular options include Alfred, Manything, and Presence. All three of these apps are available for both Android and iOS devices. They convert your smartphone into a surveillance camera that you can monitor remotely. Once you've downloaded one of these apps, the setup process is quite straightforward. Open the app and you'll typically be asked to create an account. Go ahead and set up an account. This allows the app to store your video footage securely in the cloud. Now, you're ready to set up your old smartphone as a surveillance camera. Position your old smartphone in a location where it can capture the area you want to monitor. This could be your front door, your living room, or even your baby's nursery. Just make sure it has a clear view and is plugged into a power source so it doesn't run out of battery. Once your old smartphone is in position, use the app to start recording. Most of these apps have a live view feature, allowing you to see what's happening in real time. They also offer motion detection, which means the app will alert you if it detects movement in the camera's field of view. And there you have it. You've just turned your old smartphone into a smart home surveillance system. It's a simple and cost-effective way to add an extra layer of security to your home. Plus, it's a great way to put that old smartphone to good use instead of letting it gather dust. This is just one of the many ways technology can help improve our lives. If you're interested in learning more about AI, technology, and how they can be used in innovative ways, make sure to subscribe and hit that like button. By doing so, you'll be the first to know when we release new content. Plus, it helps us create more of the content you love. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and let's continue this journey of discovery together. Remember, technology is a tool, and like any tool, it's all about how you use it. So why not use it to make your home a little bit smarter and a whole lot safer?